This is a story about how one man can change the universe with the help of millions of hands doing the work for him. It's a story of power, success, and its costs. A story of charisma and suave, and how a multitude can be convinced they are among gods. This is a story about Bird of Prey 5, our great and courageous leader, our god emperor. Hail Caroga! In a country so far away, Carogan orphans like to play. Their leader bird, so wise and great, awaits us all at the gate. Welcomed as friends to be, awaiting gold and joy and glee. Black gold and coal he needs the most, our bird of prey, a generous host. And glowing green sticks, a wonderful thing, all hail Caroga, we'll proudly sing. We get cookies and cola and candy too, as long as what we're told is what we'll do. When we go Geloja, our pee-pee is green. It's sent to Turdistanis, 'cause they are so mean. Turdistanis, they smell like caca. On TV, when we see them, we go, ha ha. They're evil and vile and not nice at all. We all stand together, Turdistan must fall. We'll keep Caroga safe by building large toys, while chanting them on, go get 'em boys. When Turdistan is gone, we'll all be safe. We'll thank our leader for all he gave. Our missile silos are big and strong. It protects our nation before all goes wrong. Brave Carogans will heed the call. If they don't, they'll face the wall. Obedience and labour from Alpha to Runt. Those who don't listen we call our... No, we're not going there. Everything we do is for Carogan fame. If Caroga loses, it's another's blame. Our lives are given for our state, but Bird of Prey still needs a mate. Our free time is spent within Carogan lands. Thanks to our leader, we have no idle hands. Carogan country, so nice and pure, with bird we walk forevermore. Our forest great and tall, like Bird of Prey, they'll never fall. Our mountains so large and high, like our leader, they will never die. Our seas so full and oh so deep, our enemies there will surely sleep. Our leader bird is never late, except when anti-trackers at our gate. When we're sad, we write, dear Bop. Our tears are wiped up with a mop. Our tears of sadness, they are collected in soda pops, they're rejected. Sweet Caroganite, a valuable rock. It comes straight out of Bird of Prey's.
Son of a bitch!
At night we pray, before we sleep, for Mama pray, a soul to keep. Nephew will pray, one day will rule the throne. Till then Bird must dodge what Sister Prey has thrown. Bird's friend is called Sassy, and she goes, aroo! 3 cheers for Caroga. I bid you adieu.